Hey guys, Kiwi here from the Outdoor Apprentice. Today I am in the middle of restoring two 276 baby specials lamps, oil paraffin lamps. I was given these by Mick. One of them unfortunately has pinholes in the bottom. Sorry for the shaky camera, I'm doing it by hand. So there's one there, there's another one just there, and then there is another one just at the top of my finger there. So I'm not going to be able to use this one yet. I'm going to have to find out how to seal those. I have already asked Bosun Dan. I've sent him a message asking him if I can, how I'd repair that. So a big thanks to Bosun Dan, Bushcraft. Go and have a look at his channel. He does a lot of stuff with paraffin lamps and motorbikes and camping and outdoor stuff. But if you've got an interest in lamps and everything old school paraffin, go over and check his channel out. He's given me loads of advice. He's a really great guy. Go and check out his channel. But yeah, so I've sanded them all back. I've got rid of 90% of the rust. There is still a little bit, but I don't have the right equipment, I don't think, to clean it off. But I am getting there. So I'm gonna give this one a bit of sanding, and then I'm gonna just get rid of most of the underlying rust. And then I'm going to spray it with a heat-treated paint that's designed for like wood burners and barbecues and stuff that gets hot, so it will protect the metal and stop it from rusting any further. Hopefully, that's the plan. And hopefully it will not clog up any of the holes. I will put masking tape around the holes so they don't get clogged up with paint, because if you clog up the holes, you clog up the airflow, and then the lamp won't work properly. That was a piece of advice from Dan. So I've got a couple of new bits. I've got new wicks, and I've got two new wick holders, because there's only one with the two of them, and this one's absolutely shot. I think they cost me £10 to get for two new ones, and I bought an extra pack of wicks, and that was another £10, I think, £8, something like that, for 5 wicks. So not expensive. I'm in the process of obtaining some paraffin. So these are the glasses for them. They're in really good condition, although they have rust marks on them. So I'm going to have to soak them and try and get the rust marks off. But there's no cracks, there's no damage, there's no chips. So that's a good start. And hopefully when I get them working, I will do another little video to show you the end result. So having them lit and working and stuff. I'll just keep those out of the way in there to keep something from getting damaged. I've taken this carousel off of this lamp, and I'm going to swap it with this carousel, which was in better condition than the other one, because this one's a lot more corroded. So I will repair this and clean it up once I have fixed the holes in the bottom of that one. So I'll have two lamps rather than one. But I thought if I take the two lamps apart and interchange the parts, so I get the best out of both for the first lamp, I thought that would be a good way to go. So let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, all that good stuff, and share if you like the video. This is Kiwi out.